So beautiful, the pine trees and the mountain. So nice, the mountain, the view here, everything. It's so nice. Guys, he's tired. He's taking rest. Ah, so beautiful. And then the two of them, they're tired. Ooh, they're very big. Very big cow. See guys how beautiful the view here from this mountain. You can take a picture here and here. Wow, you see the view here. I'll take the okay. For the cow, they want to drink, they can drink it here.
Oh, if you want to get fresh, you can put them on.
There's a big cow's bell. That one.
Ah, il y a une cloche pour moi, regarde là-haut. T'as vu?
Dunny.
Avec un L.
It's a big one. So guys, we continue here. We will continue to walk here.
Avec le chien blanc.
We are halfway to our destination. We are here now. So, continue walking. You can see the view. It's so beautiful. And this is our way going to our destination. Still very far. So beautiful trees, and we are going inside the forest because this is our way going down. See the root of the trees. So beautiful, a lot of pine trees. We are inside the forest. See guys, our small walk here, and this one is only one way going because it's too small. And that mountain here, there's a Switzerland flag. Bonjour. Swiss flag. So there's a small paradise here. The name is Le Petit Paradis, means small paradise. Going here. This is our way. Beautiful. Wow, c'est très joli. Guys, it's so beautiful, the view here. Only us who are walking here and no people. So beautiful. Mountain. Everywhere surrounded by mountain. Here also. A lot of small flowers here. Plus the view there. So beautiful. Continue walking.
Quand il fait comme ça, c'est qu'il remonte.
Ah.
Ouais.
Oh, so tiring.
Tu peux descendre là, petit chemin.
Okay, going to walk in this side. Right here. C'est là-bas?
Alors là, c'est juste l'étape. Hein. C'est souvent là où on mange avec les enfants, à midi.
Chérie, chérie, prends les photos là.
Oui, allez.
Comme ça.
Oui, oui.
So guys, we are seeing this beautiful view, and you can see it's very green and it's very wonderful. You will see it later, and we will show you more view, more nicer view. Still walking. Kasi mo, chérie. So, continue tayo. O yan. Super nice view dito. Tapos dito din, maganda din. Kaso lang against the light dito. So, dito yung pinakamagandang view. Tapos ito, yung mountain dito para siyang bato. Wala siyang trees sa taas. Except dito sa right side natin. Dito sa right side natin ang daming pine trees sa mountain. Ayan. So super nice ng bahay. Daming flowers. Super nice. Ganito ang gusto kong view pag pumupunta ako ng mountain. Yan. So guys, we are half on our way going to our destination. So, okay. It's so nice view. I love it.
Ouais, je t'ai dit.
Here. It's like an artificial tree, but it's real. So beautiful. It's very tiring, guys. Hinihingal tayo. Yun. So guys, continue tayo maglakad. Malapit na tayo sa destination natin. Konting push na lang. Okay, tara na.
Tayo!
Ganda yung mountain na to.
Entendu?
Ouais. So ganyan. Yan ang tinifilm natin ng ganito. Sa baba at dito sa side na to. Ayan. Tara na. Tara na, biyahe tayo.
Je pas, hein.
No? C'est comme ça. It's a very beautiful view. Just continue.
On monte jusqu'à l'endroit où c'est plat, hein. Pas au fond.
Picture natin dito. From this side until doon. So beautiful. Wild plants here in the mountain. There's a lot of like this everywhere. We are done walking very far and we are not still arriving our destination. Sobrang layo ng nilakad natin. 4 na oras na tayo naglakad. Ay, ang nakakapagod, ang layo-layo talaga ng destination natin. So, i-film natin yung buong view from this side. Nakakapagod. I'm so tired. Until here. Guys, we are now near in our destination. Around 30 minutes or less. It's still too far.
Celle-là, c'est autre chose, hein, la suivante.
For more than 4 hours of walking to this mountain, finally we are very close with the place that we are going to visit. Or finally we arrive in our destination. It's there in that red house. That red house. That one. So finally we made it, even though we are very tired because the road going here is very like mountain going up and down. We're not close there. We are now here, a few minutes more and then we arrive. It's a lot of goat there. It's a mountain goat. Then there, that's the hotel that we are staying. It's a small like a hotel, but it's a hotel. We stay there for this evening and then go another walk for tomorrow. This is the map of the mountain that we were walking. And that's it. And we are going to stay in the refuge Giocommini. that indicate our way going to our hotel. That's our hotel, guys. Simple hotel. Guys, we are going to see the cow. There's a lot of cow there. We're going to see them going closer. That's the cow. It's a lot. Beautiful cow. So beautiful. There's a lot of cows here. And look at the houses here. It's like a stone house. So beautiful. So beautiful. There's a restaurant there. Then here the cows. There also the cow everywhere. There's a lot of cow. So now we are going. I'm going to rest. That's our place to stay for 2 days, today and tomorrow.
Les gens peuvent s'installer à la terrasse, les gens peuvent se reposer.
Ouais. So guys, welcome to Refuge Yakumini. We are going to stay here. We will spend our weekend here. Okay, let's go. We're going to stay here. We have a robot cow here.
Ça fait à partir de vieilles choses, vieux objets.
It's a robot cow. It's a beautiful place. There's a lot of people already.
Allons.
You see?
We want to...
Okay. We want to sit in this beautiful hotel.
Propriétaire, ils vendent alors.
And then look guys, how beautiful inside. Beautiful. And we can go and see here. Beautiful. It's very beautiful. Ah, this one is a real one. Bonjour.
Bonjour. Bonjour.
So guys, we are here and we are going to take our snacks before we going to our room. So beautiful. So guys, we are finally here, and then you can see the view. So